So start by drawing the angle you're given for your trig function. So 5 pi, 5 pi over 6, you can convert that to degrees by cutting out the pi, multiplying by 180. Or you can use the fact that this is pi over 2 to go from here to here. And so to keep going, you'd be at 1 pi. This is a little bit less than 1 pi, so we know the angle should look something like this. And if that was 5 pi over 6, and if a semicircle is 1 pi, then we must have pi over 6 left over. In other words, pi over 6 is 30 degrees. Okay, so now that we've drawn the angle, we want to make a right angle with the x-axis, and then we want to use one of the triangles that we memorize. We always draw these in the unit circle, that way we're not thinking about an infinite amount of possibilities. 30 degrees always corresponds with 1/2, and 60 degrees always corresponds with square root of 3 over 2. Okay, so the side opposite of 30 degrees should be 1/2. And then this angle is 60 degrees because we made a right angle. So that means this would be square root of 3 over 2 across from it. And now we have a triangle. We can do the cosine ratio. And you're always referencing this angle near the origin. Okay. So 1/2 is opposite of, actually, sorry, one extra detail I forgot. This should be negative, right? Because we're going to the left of the x-axis. So that's negative on the x-axis. So big detail I missed there. Sorry about that. That should be a negative square root of 3 over 2 because we're to the left of the origin. This is like -1 for x, -2 for x, -3 for x. So that should be negative square root of 3 over 2. Okay, now we can do the cosine ratio. Cosine of 5 pi over 6, we're supposed to do the adjacent of our reference angle, divide by the hypotenuse. So this divided by this makes negative square root of 3 over 2.